Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create your first Jenkins job using Freestyle Project. Freestyle projects are a great starting point for beginners as they are simple to set up and can be used for various tasks. Today, we will focus on running a basic bash command using Jenkins Freestyle job. This example will help you to understand how Jenkins works and how it can automate repetitive tasks very easily. So let's get started. I have already set up Jenkins. If you are new to Jenkins, check out my previous video. I have set up Jenkins on my virtual machine. I have created one Rocky Linux machine on my Windows machine using Oracle VirtualBox, created a VM, installed Jenkins, and also prerequisites Java 17 I have installed on that. So this is my setup. I have taken access of Jenkins server. Let's log into server. When you log in, you will see Jenkins dashboard. From here, you can create a new job or set up an agent, or you can also configure the cloud also. So first log into your Jenkins dashboard, which is we have already logged into the server. Now click on to the new item left hand side of the Jenkins dashboard. Enter the name for your project. So I will name mine as first freestyle job. Select freestyle project and click OK. So basically freestyle project in Jenkins is the most basic and flexible type of job that you can create. It allows you to define a wide variety of tasks that Jenkins can perform, such as building code from a repository, running shell or bash, compiling and packaging software, and also running a test and generating a reports. It's called freestyle because it does not enforce a specific structure or workflow. Instead, you can have the freedom to configure the job however you need, making it highly versatile for different scenarios. Flexibility Freestyle project offers simple build tasks, integration with external tools, trigger builds in multiple ways, customizable steps like pre-build checks, building the project, running post-build action. So, how do Freestyle project differs from pipeline job? Yeah, or pipeline projects. Freestyle project best for straightforward single step task or a quick setup, and pipeline projects are better for complex multi-step workflow with dependency. This is the freestyle and pipeline project difference. So let's configure the job. In configuration screen, scroll to the build section. Here you will see add a simple build step. Click on add build step and select execute shell. In the script section, write the following command. I will write a simple hello Jenkins and we'll add it to output.txt file and then cat output.txt. This script echo hello Jenkins output.txt. Okay, this script will create a file name called output.txt and displays its content in the build logs. The step demonstrates how Jenkins can run any shell command you specify, making it a powerful tool for automating tasks like generating logs, performing health checks, or deploying application. So once the job is saved, let's build it manually. Click on Build Now on the left hand of menu. After the build is complete, click on the build number and select the console output. Click on the number. So here you can see the entire logs of the build process. The command echo hello Jenkins being executed, creation of output file output.txt, the file contents being displayed. If the build succeeds, you will see the expected output without errors. If there is a typo in your script or the command fails, Jenkins will display an error message in red. Always review these logs to identify issue and make corrections. Some of the common issues, missing the permission to execute the script or syntax errors in your command. So triggering build manually, you can trigger the build whenever you want by clicking on build now. Jenkins will immediately execute the job. Once the build starts, you can monitor its process in build history and click on build number to view the details, including the console output. This is particularly useful for tracking real-time execution and identifying any issues. For simple tasks like running a shell script, builds are usually quick. You can experiment with different commands by editing the jobs and trigger a new build. Click on the job, click on configure, scroll down. Here you can add any command to experiment with a new build. So I can add date or I can list the files. Save the job. Click on build now. So here it will show ls-l output as well. This is the output of that ls-l command which we have entered just now. And that's how you create your first Jenkins job using Freestyle Project. We demonstrated how to set up a job, execute a simple bash command, understanding build logs, and trigger builds manually. This example highlights how Jenkins can automate even a basic task. In further videos, we will explore advanced job configuration and automation techniques. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Jenkins tutorials. Thanks for watching.